Good morning, everyone. Today we're playing along with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and our theme today is the cat's meow. Create a cat embellishment with at least 2 layers that includes a cat. Well, I'm going to do 2 little cats. This is what I'm making. I got that hexagon shape die. Actually, it's like nesting dies. This is the second largest one, and anyhow, I thought that would be cute. And so anyhow, I have a die or dies that have 6 cats in it, and I thought it'd be cute to have 2 of them like they're chasing butterflies. And I don't know if you can see, I think you can see it now. It's kind of hard to see in the screen to me. Okay, so anyhow, I started out with a blue one, and I don't know, maybe let me ink it once, see what it looks like. Because I kind of don't like it that it's just solid. Oh my gosh, we got ladybugs. It's nice out. It's like as soon as we had one warm day, the ladybugs showed up. It's like, it's just so annoying. Had to get rid of them. I like that with a little more color in it. This is going to be my grass. Don't know if I like that enough. Okay, I'm going to get a different grass one because I'm going to ink where it's lighter. Okay. And I didn't do that one either yet. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I just like the white with the blue on it. This one I kind of pounced it around, but I think just blending in to the hexagon I like better. And I'm making it a little darker because, you know, at the horizon, I think it's always darker, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and then I've got these scissors. They're from Stampin' Up. I had a pair of the Martha Stewart ones too, and I left my granddaughter take those because she's a lefty, but she could use those. So I figured any help that I could give her, because you know how hard it is to find anything left-handed, but she was able to use those, so she had fun with them. Okay, and then I actually did it one more time. I just slid it over one, or like in the middle, and was able to do a little thinner. Okay. I don't want to smash my brush. Okay, and I'm going to put it up a little bit into here too. Okay. Oh, I keep hitting my brush with everything. You know why? Because I like everything right there. So I'm just piling it up. Okay. That's good there. And now this one, he actually goes this way, but I'm just flipping him over. Because I want him facing the other direction. And he's the one I wanted. And I'm going to try to tuck one little foot into the grass a little. And I'm going to tuck one foot in there like he's jumping up, because I'm sure we've all seen cats chase butterflies. And so I'm going to take the biggest one that I'm using and put that the closest to the cats. And I'm just gluing that right under the body so that it stays up a little. I remember seeing a cat chasing a butterfly when I was little, and it was so cute. Okay. And these are all just punched from scraps. Oops, I couldn't let go. Push it in the middle and pull it up a little. Okay. So that's how they'll look. I will take some green ink and put that on there so that it's more the right color, because I got that. I actually used a piece of Mente that was, I think it was a soccer field. So I will put green over that. So that's it for today. Everybody else that's making embellishments will be listed down below. And there's each of them individually, but then there's one link that will take you right over to where you can watch all the videos right in a row. And I'm gonna go put some green on this, and then I'll have close-ups at the end. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And oh, if you haven't seen my 30 days of sketches for today, that's already loaded. So go over there and check that out. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.